Okay, let's talk about a word you probably use without even thinking about it. Comb. Seems pretty simple, right? It's just something you run through your hair in the morning. But what if I told you that this super ordinary word, well, it holds a key to understanding how language itself is built? Let's dive in and see what's going on.
So yeah, what is the big deal? What makes a simple word for a simple object so important? The answer, it turns out, is kind of hiding in plain sight on this very specific, very powerful list.
And here it is, the big secret. The word comb is on something called the Basic English 850 list. Now, I know that might not sound like a huge deal at first, but trust me, it's a massive clue that tells us this simple word is actually a linguistic heavyweight.
So what is this list anyway? The Basic English 850 is a really fascinating idea. It's basically an attempt to create a foundation for clear global communication using just a small, really carefully chosen group of words.
Just 850 words. That's it.
When you think about it, the English language has, hundreds of thousands of words? But the whole theory here is that you can express almost any idea with just this core vocabulary. It's all about power and efficiency.
Right. So the crucial thing to get is that this isn't just some random collection of words. It's designed to be a complete toolkit. Every single word is chosen because it does a ton of work. And our humble word comb is one of those absolutely essential tools. Let's break down exactly why.
We'll start with the most obvious meaning, right? The comb as a noun. Just a simple physical object that pretty much all of us can picture in our heads instantly.
And the definition is just beautifully simple. It describes an action and a purpose that everyone, everywhere can understand. There's no confusion, no ambiguity, which is the perfect quality for a foundational word.
This example sentence just nails it. Joe always had a comb in his pocket. It paints a crystal clear picture. We know exactly what it is and what it's for. So that's point one for comb. It's a clear, concrete noun. But that's only half the story.
Now let's switch gears and look at it as a verb, because this is where the word's true power really starts to show. It's not just an object anymore, it's an action, and a surprisingly flexible one at that.
So first off, just notice how simple it is grammatically. It's a totally regular verb. You comb, she combs, they combed. No weird exceptions. This simplicity is vital for a word on the Basic English list. It has to be super easy to learn and to use correctly.
Okay, this slide right here is where things get really interesting. On the left, you've got the literal action, combing hair. Simple. But look at the right. It transforms into this powerful metaphor to search for something carefully. The word instantly creates an image in your head, that careful, systematic action of a comb's teeth moving through something. I mean, listen to this sentence. It does so much more than just saying, the police searched the forest. The word combed tells you how they searched. It implies this methodical, thorough, tooth-by-tooth search. It conveys such a complex idea with incredible efficiency, all by borrowing the image of an everyday object. That's just linguistic genius.
So let's put all the pieces together. We've seen the noun, we've seen the verb, and we've seen the incredible metaphor. So why does all of this earn comb a spot on that exclusive list of just 850 words?
Well, here's the breakdown. It's a concrete object and a simple action, for sure. But it's that ability to become this vivid metaphor for a meticulous search that makes it so valuable. It's easy to use, and it does the work of several other words all by itself, making it a truly powerful, foundational piece of language. And you know, that really brings us to a final thought. This whole deep dive into the word comb just shows the hidden power in our everyday language. It kind of makes you wonder, right? If you had to build a language from scratch with only 850 words, which ones would be so essential, so versatile, and so powerful that you absolutely couldn't live without them?